Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best baking pan is probably one of the most versatile kitchen essentials, perfect for everything from roasting vegetables to baking decadent desserts. But with so many options on the market, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of baking pans, exploring different materials, sizes, and features to help you find the perfect pan for your culinary adventures. Number 5. Nordic Ware Classic 9x13 Covered Cake Pan. This is the Nordic Ware Classic Cake Pan. It's designed for baking delicious cakes. You'll love how it performs. Made of pure aluminum, this pan will never rust. It's built to last, providing you with years of baking enjoyment. The aluminum construction ensures even heat distribution. Your baked goods will rise perfectly and bake evenly every time. Cleanup is a breeze with this pan. Simply hand wash it, and it's ready for your next baking adventure. Use nylon, wood, or silicone utensils. Proudly made in the USA by Nordic Ware. This pan is a testament to quality and craftsmanship. Get yours today. What we like. This pan is made of pure aluminum, ensuring it will never rust. It bakes evenly due to superior heat conductivity. If you are looking for a pan that will last a lifetime and provide consistent baking results, you should consider this one. What people say. The pan is the perfect size for brownies and cakes. The non-stick surface works great and makes for easy cleanup. The pan is sturdy and well made. Number 4. USA Pan 9x13-inch Rectangular Cake Baking Pan. This is the USA Pan Rectangular Cake Pan. It's perfect for baking cakes and more. The pan is made with high-quality materials for even baking. Made from aluminized steel, this pan combines strength and excellent heat conductivity. This ensures your baked goods cook evenly every time. Featuring a proprietary non-stick coating, this pan allows for quick release of your baked goods. Cleanup is also a breeze with this convenient feature. The pan's unique corrugated surface design promotes airflow. This helps with quick release and ensures your cakes bake evenly. Proudly made in the USA from globally sourced materials, this pan is built to last. It's a testament to quality and craftsmanship. USA Pan is a Bundy family company with over 60 years of experience. They have been manufacturing high-quality bakeware and providing jobs in the USA. What we like. This pan features a proprietary silicone non-stick coating. The corrugated surface facilitates airflow for quick release and even baking. If you like easy cleanup and perfectly baked goods, this pan is a great choice. What people say. This 9x13 pan checks all the boxes. The quality exceeded my expectations. Squared corners not rounded. Sturdy, not thin. Heats and bakes evenly. Non-stick for real and easy cleanup. A heavyweight, non-stick baking pan that really sets the standard in craftsmanship and quality. This is a really sturdy pan that feels heavy to the hand. Great quality and well made. It bakes well, quickly and evenly and can withstand 525 degrees easily. The easy cleanup and non-stick quality is unparalleled and really stands out. Number 3. Wilton Perfect Results Oblong Cake Pan. This pan features a non-stick surface with a reinforced coating. It allows for quick release of your baked goods and makes cleanup a breeze. You'll love how easy it is to use. The handles are designed for easy handling. You can effortlessly take it in and out of the oven, even while wearing oven mitts. It provides a secure grip. It's constructed with heavy-gauge materials that spread heat evenly. This prevents warping, ensuring your cakes bake perfectly every time. This feature contributes to consistent baking results. Precise measurements are permanently stamped on the handles. This allows for quick and easy reference when following your recipes. It's a convenient feature for any baker. This bakeware offers all the right qualities for better baking results. It's an affordable option without compromising on quality. You'll be impressed with its performance. What we like. The non-stick surface offers quick release and easy cleanup. The convenient handles are designed for easy handling. If you are looking for an affordable pan with all the right qualities for better baking results, you should consider it. What people say. The non-stick coating makes it easy to remove the food and easy to clean up. They were cooked evenly, and when I turned them out to cool, they slid right out of the pan. It's lightweight. My baked products did not stick, although I still add a bit of spray just to be super safe, and thus far it hasn't scratched. Number 2. Wilton 9 by 13 inch aluminum sheet pan. This pan, designed in the USA, is made from natural anodized aluminum. It's built for durability and rust resistance, so you can count on consistent results every time you bake. The anodized aluminum distributes heat evenly. This means uniform baking and fewer hot spots, leading to consistent results and less wasted cake. This pan resists rust and is made without PFAS. It's designed for reliable, long-lasting performance, ensuring it will be a staple in your kitchen for years. This pan is perfect for recipes requiring even heat distribution. It's great for cakes, cookies, pastries, and breads, helping you achieve baking perfection. For best results, hand wash the pan in warm, soapy water before and after each use. Rinse and dry it thoroughly with a soft cloth. While staining may occur, it won't affect the pan's performance. What we like. This pan is made from natural anodized aluminum, ensuring even heat distribution. It resists rust for years of use. If you are a precision baker who values consistent results, you should consider this one. What people say. The pan is the perfect size for brownies and cakes. The non-stick surface works great and makes cleanup a breeze. The pan is sturdy and well-made. Number 1. casaWare Ultimate Series Ceramic Cake Pan. This pan is perfect for baking. The heavier weight prevents bending under high heat, ensuring even cooking. It's designed for durability and consistent results. The pan features a stylish silver granite ceramic coating. The cream and brown flecks make it both fashionable and functional. This coating enhances your baking experience. The silver granite ceramic surface offers long-lasting durability and scratch resistance. It can withstand heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and it won't peel or blister. This makes it a reliable choice for all your baking needs. The ceramic non-stick technology provides a superior baking experience. Food slides off easily, and cleanup is a breeze. Just a simple wipe or soft scrub is all it takes. The silicate glass-based ceramic non-stick coating is free of harmful chemicals. It's made from quartz sand, a safe and inert mineral. This ensures your food is safe and your baking is worry-free. The exterior dimensions are 13.34 by 9.78 by 2.5 inches, with interior dimensions of 13 by 9 by 2.14 inches. It's made from carbon steel, ensuring even heat distribution. Please refer to the product description for use and care instructions. What we like. This pan features a silver granite ceramic non-stick coating. The pan is durable and scratch resistant. If you like a pan that is easy to clean and provides a greater baking experience, you should consider this one. What people say. The pan is the perfect size for brownies and cakes. The non-stick surface is great and makes cleanup a breeze. The pan is sturdy and well-made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.